Dental implants are perhaps one of the most advanced technologies in terms of replacing missing teeth. One of the caveats, though, is that dental implants, even though they are designed to last for a lifetime, there is a documented success rate of 98%, which means that 2 in 100 implants would fail after some time. And a lot of times the reason why these implants fail is lack of planning, lack of execution, or lack of maintenance. If implants are planned right and they're executed right and maintained throughout a lifetime, the chances of success is around 100% over a lifetime. Here at Implant Dental Works, we have a whole strategy to make sure that we minimize the number of failures and we maximize the longevity of your implants. And the way we do that is because we are hyper specialized in this field. This is what we do every day, day in and day out with our patients, and we specialize exclusively in full mouth rehabilitation. So the success of your work is our success. And every patient for us is our utmost priority to make sure that they're keeping their implants for as long as possible. Dental implants are perhaps one of your biggest investments in a lifetime. If you have any concerns or questions, reach out to us at Implant Dental Works and we'll help guide you through this process.